Have you recently seen ads for something called fat-burning shorts claiming you can lose weight, tighten your stomach, burn calories, and even simulate exercise just by wearing a pair of shorts? According to the marketing, these shorts use advanced thermal technology to melt fat and boost metabolism in as little as 30 minutes a day. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the big question. Can clothing actually burn fat? Or is this just another overpriced internet product using fake science and deceptive advertising? In this video, we're exposing the truth behind fat-burning shorts, the red flags consumers need to know, and whether this product is legit or simply another online scam. The advertisements for fat-burning shorts make some very bold promises. They claim the shorts can burn belly fat, increase metabolism, tighten loose skin, reduce cellulite, mimic exercise, help you lose weight without dieting. Some ads even suggest you can achieve dramatic body transformations simply by wearing the shorts while sitting at home. But here's the problem. There's no scientific evidence that wearing compression clothing can directly burn fat through skin contact. At best, these products may increase sweating temporarily. And sweating is not the same thing as fat loss. Most of the weight lost through sweating is just water weight, which comes back once you rehydrate. One of the biggest red flags is the use of scientific-sounding marketing language. The websites often use phrases like thermal fat activation, infrared slimming technology, metabolic stimulation fabric, compression thermogenic system. These terms sound impressive. But when you look closely, there's usually no real scientific explanation behind them. Many scam products rely on complicated buzzwords to make ordinary products sound revolutionary. In reality, fat-burning shorts appear to be basic compression shapewear, similar to inexpensive products already sold online for a fraction of the price. Another major warning sign is the suspicious before and after photos. Many of these images appear heavily edited, AI-generated, or stolen from unrelated fitness transformations found elsewhere online. Some testimonials also look fake. You'll often notice generic names, stock photos, unrealistic success stories, identical reviews across multiple websites. And in many cases, there's no verifiable proof that the people in the ads even use the product. Some websites promoting fat-burning shorts also use fake doctor endorsements or misleading medical claims. You may see people wearing lab coats claiming the shorts are clinically proven or doctor recommended. But there's usually no evidence these individuals are real medical professionals. Some sites also misuse terms like FDA approved, certified technology, clinically tested. Here's an important fact. The FDA does not approve clothing for fat-burning claims like these. That means many of these statements are either misleading or completely fabricated. Another thing investigators and consumers have noticed is that very similar shorts can often be found on wholesale websites for extremely low prices. In many cases, the same product appears to be mass-produced overseas and rebranded with flashy marketing and fake scientific claims. A product costing only a few dollars wholesale may be sold online for 10 or even 20 times the original price. That's a huge red flag. Many of these websites also use classic scam marketing tactics like fake countdown timers, only 3 left in stock, flash sales ending in minutes, constant pop-ups claiming others are buying. These tactics are designed to pressure people into making impulsive purchases. Some buyers also report unexpected recurring charges or difficulties canceling subscriptions after ordering. That's why it's extremely important to read the fine print before entering payment information. So, are fat-burning shorts legit? Based on exaggerated claims, fake science, misleading testimonials, and deceptive marketing tactics. These products do not appear to be revolutionary weight loss technology. They seem to be ordinary compression shapewear being marketed with unrealistic promises to attract desperate buyers. Remember, no clothing can magically melt fat without proper diet, exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. If a product sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If you've tried fat-burning shorts or encountered similar products online, share your experience in the comments below to help warn others. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more scam investigations and honest product reviews. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.